Creating a sales funnel in GetResponse is one of the best ways to drive leads, nurture them, and turn them into customers. In this video, we'll take you through how to create a sales funnel step by step, covering everything you need to get your first funnel up and running in GetResponse. Now, before we dive in, if you're here looking for a quick and easy way to create sales funnels that convert, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to use GetResponse's tools. And I'll also share some alternative tools at the end that might be better for your needs. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is log in to GetResponse. Once you're inside, go to the Funnel tab in the top menu. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see an option to create a new funnel. It's incredibly easy to get started. You just click Create Funnel and you're on your way. Next thing, you'll need to choose a template. GetResponse offers a variety of pre-designed templates that you can choose from. These templates are designed to guide your leads down the sales process, so pick one that aligns with your goals. If you're selling a product, you'll want to pick a product funnel. If you're offering a free guide or lead magnet, then go for the list building template. But remember, you can customize any template to fit your business, so don't feel locked into anything. The third thing to keep in mind is creating your landing pages. The beauty of GetResponse is its built-in landing page editor. You don't need to know how to code to design a page that converts. Choose from the pre-made blocks or drag and drop elements to create the perfect page. Make sure your landing page is simple with a clear call to action. The fourth thing to do is connect your email list to your funnel. This is crucial because your sales funnel isn't complete without the automation. With GetResponse, you can easily link your funnel to your email list, ensuring that as soon as someone enters the funnel, they get the right messages at the right time. The automation is super simple to set up, and you don't need to be a tech expert to get it going. The fifth step is setting up your email sequence. After your landing page is live and people are entering your funnel, you want to make sure they're nurtured with valuable content. In GetResponse, you can create automated email sequences. Whether you're nurturing leads or making a direct pitch, you can automate everything, saving you time and ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. Now, the last thing you should do is test your funnel. Before you go live, make sure everything works as it should. Test the forms, test the emails, and ensure your landing page loads properly. Once everything's in place, launch your funnel and start driving traffic to it. Now, let's talk about some alternatives. While GetResponse is great for beginners, there are a few other tools that might suit your needs better if you're looking for a more advanced setup or better performance. There are alternatives that give you more flexibility, more features, or even better automation options that may be more suited to your specific business goals. I've included links to some of the best free trials for these alternatives in the description. These tools also offer free trials with unique benefits available only through our link, and I highly recommend you check them out for a better funnel building experience. So, if you're ready to create your first funnel with GetResponse or explore these alternatives with exclusive offers, check out the link in the description. You'll get the best free trial, along with some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers.